In this video, we listed the 5 best video cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS camera features a 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering high image quality and exceptional performance. Powered by the DJI X image processor, it offers a versatile ISO range of 100-102-400, expandable to 204,800, ensuring excellent performance in various lighting conditions. The camera supports high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second with an electronic, silent, shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF system covers approximately 100% of the frame with 1053 autofocus areas, enhanced by deep learning technology for accurate subject tracking of people and animals. The camera supports multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, offers image stabilization with sensor shift 5-axis technology, and is compatible with Canon RF mountings. It supports JPEG, RAW, and HEIF file formats and includes advanced metering options like center-weighted average, evaluative, partial, and spot metering. With a maximum focal length of 105mm and a maximum aperture of f/4, this camera is designed for versatility and professional-grade performance. Number 2. Sony ZV-1 digital camera. This camera features a 20.1MP stacked back-illuminated 1-inch XMOR RS CMOS sensor with DRAM, delivering high-quality images and performance. It comes equipped with a large aperture 24-70mm f1.8-2.8 Zeiss Vario Sonnar T lens and offers fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time autofocus tracking for precise focusing. The side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen tilts up and down, making it ideal for selfies and vlogging. It supports multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, hybrid image stabilization, and expanded ISO as low as 64 for versatile shooting conditions. The camera allows for quick transitions between defocused background bokeh modes and includes a product showcase setting for smooth focus shifts from faces to objects. It records in JPEG and RAW formats and has built-in Bluetooth version 4.1 for connectivity. Audio capabilities include a forward directional onboard MIC, detachable windscreen, 3.5mm MIC jack, and MI-SHU for enhanced sound recording options. Designed for Sony E-mount compatibility, the camera also offers optical zoom up to 3x, a maximum focal length of 88mm, and a maximum aperture of f1.8, making it a versatile tool for creators. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2. The DJI Pocket 2 is a compact, pocket-sized camera that weighs just 116 grams and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life, making it highly portable and convenient for capturing moments on the go. It features a 3-axis motorized gimbal for smooth, stabilized video and crisp photos, even in low-light or long-exposure scenarios. Equipped with a 1.7-inch sensor, the camera delivers high-quality 64MP photos and 4K video with a wide 20mm f1.8 lens for cinematic visuals. Audio quality is enhanced through DJI Matrix Stereo, which utilizes for microphones for directional sound recording, audio zoom, and soundtrack features. The Pocket 2 also includes glamour effects for optimized selfies and an AI editor that automatically combines clips with transitions and music, making it ideal for creating share-worthy content for social media. Its compact design and advanced features make it a versatile tool for photography and videography enthusiasts. Number 4. Canon PowerShot V10 camera. The Canon PowerShot V10 is a compact, pocket-sized vlogging camera designed for on-the-go creativity and ease of use. Featuring a 15.2-megapixel 1-inch back-illuminated CMOS sensor, it excels in low-light conditions and offers versatile functionality with a retractable front-facing screen, built-in subject detection, micro HDMI output, external MIC auxiliary port, and USB-C charging. Its innovative built-in stand allows for flexible shooting angles and hands-free operation, while the fixed 19mm wide-angle lens, 35mm equivalent, is ideal for capturing expansive landscapes or tight interiors. The camera supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, Full HD at up to 60 frames per second, and offers 3 image stabilization modes, IS off, IS on, and IS enhanced, for smooth footage. Additionally, it includes 14 movie color filters to set the mood and ambience. Equipped with high-quality stereo microphones and a third noise-reducing microphone, it ensures crystal-clear audio. Compact and powerful, the PowerShot V10 is perfect for content creators seeking portability and high performance. Number 5. Sony Alpha ZV E10. This camera features a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR sensor paired with a fast Beyond's X processor, delivering high-quality images and performance. It supports Sony E-mount lenses and offers versatile aspect ratios of 1:1, 3:2, and 4:3. The camera is equipped with digital image stabilization and supports both JPEG and RAW file formats. It offers a maximum focal length of 50mm with a 1x optical zoom and a maximum aperture of f/3.5. Advanced metering options include average, center-weighted average, highlight-weighted, multi, and spot. For video enthusiasts, it provides 4K movie recording oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. Features like the product showcase setting for smooth focus transitions, a background defocus button for quick depth of field adjustments, and easy live streaming via a single USB cable make it user-friendly and versatile for both photography and videography needs.